Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the redesigned start menu in Windows 11. So Windows 11 start menu has been completely redesigned, and if you're wondering what's changed, how to customize it, or how to get your productivity back, you're in the right place. This tutorial will show you everything you need to know about the new start menu in Windows 11. So unlike Windows 10, the start menu in Windows 11 is center aligned. By default, clean, minimal, and focus on pinned apps and recommendations. No more lifestyles, just a sleek read and simplified design. So the key change is the center taskbar and start menu. No lifestyles, simplified app lists and recommended sections, recent file apps, and also pinned apps. Great. This one. So if you want to customizing the start menu, you can just right click on the taskbar and go to the taskbar settings. Scroll down until you see the taskbar behaviors. And here you can change the taskbar alignment into left if you want to. But I prefer center now. And you can also go to the settings and personalizations and start this one. You can toggle on or off the recently added apps or most used apps. You can also manage the recommendations, visibility, and you can also drag to reorder or right click to unpin. This one you can just drag and drop like this. Where is it? Okay, if you want to change or reorder, you can just drag and drop. Or you can also right click on a certain app to unpin it from start. So if you want to pin it, you can just click on start and find any app in here. Click on all to see all the apps installed on your device, and you can just right click on a certain app, and here you can pin to start if you want to have a quick access, and it will be added into the pin one. So that's pretty much all. If this helped you, you can get more comfortable or productive. Give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tips, and let me know in the comments how you've customized your start menu. Don't forget to also click on the thanks. Bye.